And now the end is near, and so I got to face the final curtain. Friends, I'll say it clear and state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful footstep along the byway. Yeah, oh, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off much more than I could chew. I threw it all when there was doubt. I ate it all and spat it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've laughed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. Now as tears subside, find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a sly way. Oh, no, 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 not me. I did it my way. Oh, what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, not the words of one who needs